Congratulations on embarking on your journey into real estate investing. If you're wondering how to make an offer on a property, you're in the right place. Making offers can feel daunting, especially for newcomers, but with the right approach, you can navigate this process successfully and work towards achieving your investment goals. Let's dive into the steps to make that happen. Define your budget. The first step in making offers is establishing your budget. Understanding your financial limitations, including potential repair or renovation costs, is critical. This knowledge will empower you to craft offers that align with your financial capabilities. Thoroughly research the property. Before making any offer, conduct comprehensive research on the property. Explore its history, assess the neighborhood dynamics, and identify any potential issues that could impact its value. This thorough examination will inform your offer price and increase the likelihood of a successful transaction. Craft a competitive offer. Crafting a competitive offer is essential for your success. Your offer should reflect the property's market value, enhancing its appeal to the seller. While negotiation is part of the process, be prepared to stand firm or walk away if the terms don't align with your investment objectives. Secure for financing. Obtain pre-approval for financing demonstrates your commitment to purchasing the property. It not only strengthens your offer, but also provides clarity on your budget constraints, enabling you to make informed decisions during the negotiation process. Embarking on your real estate investment journey may seem overwhelming, but with the right approach and determination, you can navigate the process successfully. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you're interested in learning more about working with an investor-friendly agent or discussing your investment strategy one-on-one, don't hesitate to get in touch. Your success in real estate investing is within reach, and I'm here to help you achieve it.